This next section gets used in all the forms of depression. It covers some bases. You don't have to know specifically what's going on with your body to do this, which is great. It's a way of getting around it. In your trunk, it's got 3 zones. 1, 2, 3. Okay? These 3 zones, this is a big factory in here. You got lots of stuff going on, and if something's screwy in any of these 3 zones, it's going to affect the whole system, and being your head's the tallest part in your body, it's going to show up there. It's going to affect you psychically too. And so by balancing the head with the trunk, you help balance out some of the disharmonies affecting up here. Pretty cool. Okay, so first thing, find your ears, the tops of your ears. Now go straight up to the very center line of your head. That's where you want. That's Governor 20 or DU 20, or there's different names for these meridians, so if I flip-flop back and forth, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you spread out your fingers so there's a little gap between them and you find that point, put a whole bunch across the center line. And that makes sure not only that you get Governor 20, but some of the other good points up there. Okay, and then you want to hold that with, oh my gosh, what just happened? This is something people do automatically, you know. Oh, this is Monday. Oh, okay. It's you know some of the stuff instinctively. We're just using it purposely. Now, to find this zone that we're wanting to hold, if you got an imaginary hairline or one that's receding, you might not be too sure where your hairline's supposed to be. So, if not, 4 knuckles up from your eyebrows is pretty good, and it's just slightly into the hairline. So if you just hold your hands like this, the middle point along the Governor Meridian, right here at the hairline, helps draw energy down that doesn't belong up there, you know, like yucky chi. And it helps bring up nice chi too. And there's a couple points to either side of it that can be quite helpful in different circumstances. So we just hold these points, and we hold these, and we hold them together, and you balance the front and back half of your brain. Okay? And then from here we move on. Once you get the good pulsation going, you do the Ren 17, Ren 15, Ren 14 points. Finding your rib cage, and then there's a xiphoid process, this little piece of cartilage that hangs down. Okay, and then find the space just below it, which is the whole abdomen, but we're just below it. I like doing this. I like holding my knuckles and my thumb along the center line. And I put my pinky knuckle below the xiphoid process, the next knuckle on the xiphoid process, and going up the sternum like this, and you just hit a bunch of good points for getting the chi moving in this area. Okay, Ren 17, 15, and 14. Hold them till they feel nice pulsation, and then you've just balanced the chest with your head. Okay, and then find where the ribs come together in the xiphoid process, and then find the zone in between the belly button in there, right in between, halfway in between, and just put your fingers, spread them out a little bit, and put them on that center line. And hold these fingers that are along this center line. Okay, you hold till you get the nice pulsation going. Oh yeah, it's good. And then you go down to below the belly button. Go at least 2 fingers below the belly button to start holding the points. And that way you'll be sure to get Ren 4, 5, 6. Ren 4 and 6 are ones we use a lot. But we're just holding the whole area, and you're balancing with that. And then to end this section, you continue holding down here and you move forward to your forehead. And then all we have left to do is the last 2 points to help you bring you back in your body at the end of a session. And that's the next video.